independent contractor, sole proprietor, or self-employed, you need to avoid the IRS chart. I can show you how to do that. Hi everyone, Keith Wilson here with Wilson Financial Advisors. Hey listen, if you're an employee of a company and you receive a W-2, you're responsible for paying Social Security tax and Medicare, but that's really split between the employer and the employee. The employer would pay 7.65% and the employee would pay 7.65%. But what if you're self-employed or an independent contractor? You're responsible for the full amount of 15.3% total because you're considered both the employee and the employer. This is called self-employment tax, and this is on top of paying ordinary federal and income state tax. So here's an idea that may help you lower that amount. If you organize your business as an S corporation, then your clients or customers, they would pay your S corp that you set up and not you directly. Now you can designate part of your income as wages and the other part as distribution. You will still pay the full amount of Social Security tax and Medicare on the wages portion that you designate, but the distribution portion, you would only pay ordinary income tax. Also, with the new 2020 tax law currently in place, hey, you may qualify for a 20% deduction by claiming the qualified business income deduction for S corps. Now, here are some things that you need to consider before implementing this strategy. There's going to be some startup costs. Usually an attorney's got to draft up the document. There's going to be ongoing filings with the IRS, and that's usually on a quarterly basis. Also, what you pay yourself in wages, hey, it's got to be considered reasonable. For example, if you make $100,000 a year and you only designate $5,000 as salary, that's going to raise some eyebrows of the IRS. But by setting up an S corporation, man, it could save you thousands of dollars in self-employment taxes. Now, as always, seek legal and tax advice from a qualified professional before implementing this strategy. But if you got questions about this or any other financial topics, hey, give me a call. I would love to discuss your unique needs and circumstances.